Let's decorate a wedding invite with a pretty bow, made with a tool called a bow maker. We will add silver stickers with the words, "Wedding Invitation." We will also add a sparkly gem. Decide how wide your bow should be, and adjust the bow maker. We are making quite a small bow, so we are placing the plastic pegs close to the center of the base plate. If you want your bow to be large, move the pegs further apart. Place a satin ribbon behind the pegs. Bring the ends of the ribbon to the front of the bow maker. Make the ribbon cross, and bring the ribbon at the bottom to the top. Push the ribbon back to front, through the hole at the bottom, between the two pegs. The bow is nearly ready now. We just need to tie a simple knot, in the middle, to secure the bow. Once you tie a simple knot, tighten the knot. Slide the bow off the pegs. Make the ribbon vertical, with one end pointing down, and one pointing up. Place the ribbon with the bow over a ready-made silver card. Bend the ribbon, wrapping it around the edges of the card. Trim any unwanted ribbon. Use glue to secure the ribbon in place. Repeat with the other end of the ribbon. Let the glue dry. You could leave the bow as is, or add a sparkly glue-on gem. Let's add stickers, to turn this handmade card into a wedding invite. Here are the stickers. We will peel them off, very gently, and add them to the card. You could use a sharp object, such as the top of a cocktail stick, to lift up the edge of the sticker. Handle the sticker with care, trying not to distort the shape. Apply the sticker to the card. Repeat with the other word. And here is the finished handmade card. You can print your wedding invite on plain or pearlescent card and glue it inside the handmade card. The advantage of using a bow maker and silver stickers is that it will be easy to make cards that all look the same, and you can impress your wedding guests by handcrafted invites.